Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Thank you for coming to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, and this is a channel that I created especially for my viewers to learn and to know a bit more about certain crafts that I do, to share with you my experiences, my ideas, my thoughts, my discoveries, from knitting to knotting to drawing to crocheting. Everything that I know, that I experienced in my life, I share with you, so it's guaranteed that these patterns you will never ever find anywhere else apart from my channel. So please feel welcome to do unique things with me. At the moment, this is a beautiful accessory. This is a beautiful headband, and it's easy to do, I can guarantee you. So I use needles number 5, size number 5. I've got 21 loops, 21 stitches on my needle, and this is how I make this pattern. So on the right needle, I knit the first loop with a front stitch to make sure we preserve the edge, to make sure the edge is not curved but it's straight, it's nice, it doesn't bend. So if you knit with a front stitch the first loop and the last loop as a front stitch, then you will have a perfect line, perfect edging. The second loop that we have is a purl stitch, so we need a purl stitch. Then this is a tricky bit, but I can guarantee you it's easy for you to learn it. Even if you are a beginner, you will be able to do this pattern, I can guarantee you that. So we knit this loop, as you can see, it's like a front stitch, but we do not knit it from here, from the back, from the inside. We knit it from like so. We grab the yarn slowly, we hold it, and we do not take it out of the needle yet, and we now go inside this loop and grab a second loop. So from one loop, from one front stitch, we create 2 front stitches. So we take like so, make sure you get needles that are a bit more pointy at the edges. So we do twice this kind of rotation where we make from one loop to 2 loops. Then we do a purl stitch which separates the loops that we make. So again, we make like so, we grab the yarn, we rotate it, put it inside this loop and grab the yarn again, and like so. So from one purl stitch we do, from one front stitch we do 2 front stitches. It's as easy as that. So again, we grab like so, make sure it's not too tightly, and it will work for you. Now a purl stitch, and the same way we do it until the end of this row. Purl stitch and 2 like so. You will learn to do it quicker, you will see. It's not that difficult. Now this is time to learn how to do the second row. So the first stitch we knit with a front stitch to make sure we preserve the edging. Then what we see is what we need. So we see a front stitch because we had a purl stitch on the other side. So we knit it with a front stitch because you see it as a front stitch. Now we've got a groups of 2 loops here, 2 loops here. Now 2 loops we knit as 1 loop with a purl stitch, then the second pair of 2 loops with a purl stitch. We see a front stitch, we need a front stitch. We see 2 loops with a purl stitch, we need as 1 in a purl stitch, we need as 1 in a purl stitch, then front stitch, 1, create 1 purl stitch out of 2 purl stitches that we've done on the front. So, and this is all you need to know about this pattern to do this stunning headband, and you would learn quite quickly how to do it, and to do it quick. To do it quickly is fantastic. It doesn't require a lot of time to be knitting something, an accessory like this one, and you can see how beautiful it looks. It looks like a little berries or maybe like little leaves. Very beautiful. I love it. I hope you love it too. I love the color yarn as well. It's, by the way, made of acrylic, which is stunning and washable and easy wear, easy care. And wishing you good luck in doing this pattern. Hopefully you will going to learn it and do it by yourself. Now I would like to show you how I close my loops, my stitches. So I take the right needle and put through the middle of the 2 loops. We grab the yarn from behind and we create from 2 a loop, 1 loop. Then this loop we move on to the left needle, and then I pick up the next loop, which is the next loop. So we then make another loop, and so on. It closes the edge, it creates an edge, and it creates like a plaiting here, as you can see, plaits. Please make sure you don't do it too tightly and not too loose. Like so until the end of this row. Now I take this needle, and after I closed all my loops, my stitches, I cut the length of the yarn that is enough to stitch the 2 sides together, the 2 parts together. And now with the needle we go through this last loop and tighten together like so. And now it's time to sew. So as you can see, I've stitched the two sides together to the length that I needed for my mannequin, and now I would like to show you how to hide the stitching. So this is a needle, my favorite needle, neon green, made of plastic. It's especially made for sewing garments, knitted garments, and so on. So you just follow the line and you grab the loops, and then you just make a knot to secure it like so, and then we hide this end of yarn, this cord. We hide it nicely, and then we cut it off. And it has been made, has been done. Now it's time to talk about the main reason why we do this video. It's doing this wonderful headband. Hello everyone, again and again, and this is the end of our project. This is the end of this video where I explained to you how to achieve this headband yourself. As you can see, it's got straight line, so you always need front stitch on the first loop and the last loop. You do as a front stitch, and you create such a straight edging, a beautiful straight edging like so. And the pattern is fantastic. Look at this, how it stretches and how it will keep you warm, and how it will going to enhance your accessory. You can carry with you wherever you go, just in case the wind gets colder and much stronger, or to keep your hair tidy when you go to the beach. It's a very good headband. It can help you with lots and lots of times, and it's not much to carry with you. I mean, if you folded it, it's like it can fit inside your wallet easily. This is the back stitch. I have made sure I've done the stitch at the back as straight as possible. As you can see, this is odds and ends, the back side of this project, of this headband, and you can wear it and in the summer and in spring and in autumn and even in winter, if you get mild winters like we do here in the UK. And you can just be proud to wear something like this if it's when the weather changes and suddenly, for example, you might want to look better, maybe to enhance your appearance. You decided to take this kind of headband with you, and it will just accentuate your personality and will make you look different from the others, by having a special piece like this one that you made it yourself, and it will going to serve you time and time again. This nice accessory especially will give you a lot of pleasure to make it and a lot of pleasure to wear it. I think you'll get a lot of compliments if you do, and hopefully you'll be proud to wear something like this. Now let's see how it looks on my mannequin. On my mannequin looks perfect. This is on my mannequin. This is how it looks like. It covers the forehead, it covers the ears nicely, keeps them warm. This is a stitch at the back. And look at the pattern, it's just fantastic. It's so beautiful and so easy to knit. In a couple of hours you can have such a beautiful headband that will make you very proud to wear it in the public, hopefully. And why not to create such a piece for yourself and for the people you love, to give them as a gift, something like this. I think it will be fantastic in any color. This pattern would look nice in any color. Even this color is very nice. I think in red color, in orange, in yellow would look perfect. I think, yeah, why not? So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and hopefully you can visit my channel more often and you can find yourself doing pieces that I share with you, and hopefully you love them and you do them yourself together with me. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you in the next video. Good luck in the making of new pieces for you. Good luck, and see you soon in the next video. Love you lots. Bye.